guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, you must have guessed, and of course you've read the title, that this video is about my first makeup haul, and of course you've seen it that this one's from Amazon. So and the best part of the video is that all the products that I've used today that I'm gonna show you for the Amazon makeup haul, all of them are under 350 rupees, which is like wow. The makeup, I'll show you the products and I'll also do the makeup, so you are going to learn the makeup also and you're going to see the products also. The best part about today's video is that I'm going to teach you a no foundation makeup look. So yes, I know that this is hard to believe that this makeup look is done without any foundation. So yeah, because I posted a lot of brides on Instagram and I posted a lot of looks on myself also saying that this is no makeup or this is no foundation look, and there were a lot of people who were not actually, it was hard to believe that this makeup look is done without foundation. So I thought, why not teach you guys today that how to do that look. So yeah, it's gonna be very less products I'm gonna use, and the best part, all under 350, no foundation makeup look. So basically you're gonna get a lot of learning today along with my best picks from Amazon. To start with, the first product that I used for this look and the first product that I actually got from Amazon is the Maybelline Dog Fit Me Concealer. So it looks like this. And I got this one only for rupees 332, which is like, and the best part about this concealer is that it's absolutely seamless, very natural on the skin, and the packaging, you guys, it's very, very sleek and very easy to keep it in a bag or something. So I'm absolutely loving the packaging and how compact it is. Also the fact that it's very natural and very seamless. So yeah, I have used this actually on my highlight areas, this area, and on the T-zone, basically all my highlight areas. So yeah. So the next product that I got was the LA Girl Pro Concealer. So here it is, and that's how it looks. So you guys, this is in the shade Espresso, and this one I got only for rupees 349. So again under 350, and this one gives you a very all those who are very fond of contouring can definitely go for this one. Amazing shade. And LA concealers, LA Girl concealers, these are really, really good to use, gives you good coverage. And also you guys, I got my nails done. So I think in the last video these were not done, of course, because of the lockdown, but I was craving to get these done. So yeah, I finally got them done like after 1.5 months or so, and I'm so happy to flaunt them. So yeah, so the next product that I got was these lipsticks basically. So first is this lipstick, which is by Maybelline, and the shade is 11, and this one I got only for rupees 244, and this shade is amazing. I'm gonna right away swatch it. And by the way, you guys, I've not put this shade on my lips. For my lips, I've used the next lipstick that I ordered from Amazon, so I'm gonna show you that also. So this one, I'm swatching it right here. How gorgeous is the shade, you see? So it's not red, it's not brown, it's somewhere eatish brown, whatever you call it. So it's something like that, and I'm loving the shade. By the way, I've used this as a blusher because you guys know that I use lipsticks as blushers a lot. So yeah, this one I got, third product. And second lipstick that I also ordered was this from Miss Claire, and this one, you guys, was again for 254, so like quite affordable. And the shade that I ordered is 08. So I'm gonna swatch this one, and this one, you guys, I'm applying on my lips today. So this is how it looks. So it's sort of a deep pink shade and I'm absolutely loving it on the lips, and the best part is it's matte, it's non-sticky, it doesn't have any fragrance, which I absolutely love about the product. So the next product that I ordered from Amazon and I've used for today's makeup is this mascara, you guys. So this is the Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara by Maybelline. So I think they have got two variants. So I ordered the waterproof one because I think I've used a few waterproof mascaras in the past, and you know, there are days that you don't feel like your mascara should break out or something. So yeah, for those days I've ordered this one, and you guys see the look that it's giving. Okay, so yeah, I absolutely love the mascara. The reviews are so far so good for me. For the usage part, it's absolutely good. The brush is quite sleek, good to use, easy to use. So that's how the brush looks like. So the next product that I ordered was this highlighter, you guys. Now I can, you know, this is one of my favorite products of all that I've ordered. So yeah, so this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and the shade is Precious Petals, and that's how it looks. I have used this here on my face, and I'm not fond of a lot of highlighter, but you guys, this one seems quite natural, yet not too subtle. So it's somewhere in between, but I'm absolutely loving the pigment. So I have, you know, made up a mind that the next bride that I get, I'm gonna use this highlighter for my bride. So yeah, I'm gonna swatch. If you can see, let me come closer. So you see, it's not very vibrant, like, you know, you get highlighters that seem to, you know, be out of the place, like on the face you see only the highlighter. It's not like that, and that's what I love about this highlighter. So yeah, that's how it is. And this one, you guys, I got it only for rupees 298. I mean, can you believe, like, getting a highlighter in just rupees like 298, 300 rupees? Oh my god, it's such a good deal, you guys. So basically, guys, the products that I've shown you so far, I've shown you I think 6 products, and these are the 6 products that I ordered from Amazon. There are 4 more products that I've ordered, all under 350 of course. So only these 6 products I've used for doing this look, and before we move ahead, you can see that this is the kind of look that you can get using these products. And the next 4 products, let's just move ahead, and you guys, these are like the 4 essential products that I keep ordering again and again from Amazon, and these are my, you know, go-to products. So first is, you guys, this tea spray. So this is what I like about this is that if you get 3 different little bottles. Okay, I'm just gonna open it for you guys. So that's how it looks, and you know, especially for girls, we need this. Like I keep them always in my bag. So yeah, if you want me to open and show how it works, I'll just open for you guys. So yeah, the packaging is quite cute, small, and you get 3 of these in this bag. I think I got it for 288. So you get 3 bottles in only 288. I'm gonna add all the links in the description box so that you can basically order. So yeah. So this is how it looks. It's basically a mini spray bottle, and yeah. And what you need to do is, whenever like you're using public toilets or maybe somewhere else you're going, not at home, you need to only spray this like that on the toilet seat. So yeah, that's about it. Ahead, and for the next product I have ordered, okay, this one I'm sure all of you like should buy without a doubt. So this is, you guys, a towel wrap, or as in a hair wrap. So it basically looks like this. The color is blue, but it's gonna look like this, and the instructions are there, like how to use it. Now basically now what happens is generally you use your towel after you get your hair wash done and you wash your hair or shampoo or whatever. But using towel makes your hair super frizzy, you guys. आप एक बारी ये try करके देखो, just for once order this. I think this is quite affordable. It's only for 279 rupees, and you just use it after taking shampoo, after shampooing your hair, and you'll see the difference. Your hair would not turn out as frizzy as compared to the towel that you use. So yeah, super useful product. Guys, the next product that I ordered is super useful and the most asked about, that how do I clean my makeup brushes. So a lot of comments were there, and I've told you girls, I've like mentioned in the comment also that I'll super soon reveal it, like show it in the next video. And here's the product, you guys, because mine was little thoda sa purana ho gaya, it was little toned out, so I thought why not get a new one and show it to you guys. So this one, you guys, is basically, you can call it a makeup cleaner or a cleansing pad. It is brush cleaning mat. Yeah, that's the right name. So yeah, so this is how it looks like. So basically, and at the back it has these stick-ons, like you can see. You need to keep this in the sink or in the wash basin, and once it sticks, you can just add a few drops of baby shampoo or some shampoo or hand wash or something, some product, and add some water and clean your brush like that. And just let these dry. If you're in a rush, you can just blow dry the brush to make it completely dry. And yeah, that's how I use it. So it's quite easy but super useful and essential product, you guys. So yeah. And the last product that I ordered from Amazon is something that I am obsessed with, you guys. And these are the Garnier sheet masks. So, and by the way, you guys, this product was only, I got it only for 250 rupees. So this one is quite affordable. And now coming back to the Garnier sheet masks. So this one I got, firstly let me tell you the price. So these are 3 sheet masks and the price is 232 rupees. So basically it's not even 100 for 1 sheet mask, which is like a good deal. And so you get, this is a whole pack of 3 sheet masks, and I'll tell you the names. It's Pure Charcoal, it's Sakura White, and Light Complete Milky Serum Mask. So yeah, these 3, and I'm gonna, right after removing this makeup, I'm gonna use one of them. Trust me, you guys, I swear on God, these sheet masks change your skin like totally. The day you feel that you're feeling dry, you're feeling dull, use one of them and you're done. Just sorted. So yeah, and also not saying that I've been using it for like years. I've recently started to use them, but now the moment I scroll down in Amazon, I look for them, and yeah, I think that's about it for the whole makeup haul. And not the makeup haul, I can more of call it like a beauty haul, because we got like 6 products of makeup and 4 products of beauty and skincare. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this makeup haul as much as I did. And before going, let me just quickly show you the whole makeup look. That was all about today's video. I really hope, and see, these stick-ons are sticking here. See you in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel.